welcome to the channel. I did it. I got the new iPhone 14 Pro Max and I wanted to unbox it with you. Here we go. There's two. Why is it backwards? Oh, maybe to show the lenses. Probably to show these giant lenses. Wow. Those are significantly bigger than the last ones. I'm really excited to use this camera. I have not connected it. Ooh. White and silver. Hello. So this one, I had the 13 Pro Max before, and I think that this will be a significant improvement for what I have now. Yeah, it's very nice. I'm not going to do any of this stuff right now, but I got my last one, the lenses broke, or the lens broke, one of them, and I had to send it off to be replaced or repaired. So this one comes with the usual packaging, instructions, probably a sticker. Is there a sticker? There is a sticker. And one power cord. Feels really nice. I think they've gotten better every year, even if only a little bit at a time. But I'll take it. This will allow me to make some different videos. English. States. Then I have Wi-Fi, so continue without Wi-Fi. Yeah, so this phone has 1 gigabyte of memory, just like the last one. And I didn't really run out of space because I have a lot of video and different editing stuff that's going on. Yeah, so it's ready to go. It's got pretty much the same. This is really sticking out pretty far. You can see it sticks out pretty far. But I think it'll be nice. 12:22, it already knows what time it is. It feels very secure. I did get the coverage this time, insurance, which I usually don't, but why not? I don't know what kind of case I'm going to put on it, but we'll see, because I have a new gadget. Stay tuned for the next video.